kids. Today's December 5th. Let's see what the 5th truck is. So we opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the 5th one. Okay, here we go. Oh, I broke up the whole thing. Oh, we got more lawyer. Cool. Very, very cool. So 1's a monster truck, 2's a monster truck, 3's a fireworks, 4's a monster truck, 5 is a monster truck, which is Mohawk Warrior. Oh, I didn't know Mohawk Warrior was here. What? Does he got snow on his tires? Oh yeah, he does. That's cool. So we opened up our first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We complete that. I wonder what's this here. Why it don't got 13 there and 13 goes there? Maybe it's the 21st. So do this. Don't do that. Look at that Mohawk. It's more than the normal one. Woo. Let's go do this. See you tomorrow, kids, on December 6th, which is the second row. Let's see what we will get.